You know, we're lucky to live in Wake County, but we do live in one of the fastest growing metro regions in the entire country. So when we think about where we're going to be down the road, we have to think about how we're going to get around. What is life going to be like with twice as many cars on the road? We've got to plan for the future, and public transit and expanding and improving the transit system that we already have here in the Triangle is really critical. There really are a lot of benefits of transit. Transit certainly helps us guide growth, because when you build transit, development goes along those transportation corridors. It also improves the economy because businesses want to build more and more in places where there's good public transit. So it's about jobs, and it's about our economic well-being. Transit also helps people who don't have cars and who can't afford a vehicle. They simply need a way to get around. You know, and we're growing we have more and more elderly, more senior citizens, and more young professionals and students. These are also groups of folks who increasingly want and need and use public transit. And of course, there's the environment. When we decrease the number of cars on the road, we improve our air quality. It's that simple. The Capital Area Friends of Transit believes that we need to double and improve our bus system, and we need to bring commuter rail and light rail to the Triangle to really connect us as a region. So who is making the decisions about expanding public transit here? Well, our local elected officials, our mayors, our city councilors, but especially our Wake County Commission. We all need to be sending a message to our county commissioners that we would like to see more public transit here. So how are we going to expand public transit in the Triangle? Well, it's really up to us to hold our local elected officials accountable. You know, we all work hard for the money we earn and the taxes we pay. Well, let's tell our government officials we want public transit, because the benefits to our community are many. The Capital Area Friends of Transit and Wake Up Wake County are organizations that we invite you to be a part of, because we are helping citizens speak up for public transit. Now is the time to tell our Wake County commissioners and our mayors and town councilors that we want to bring more bus service and rail to the Triangle. We hope you'll join us.